Hello everyone, my name is Sujin and welcome back to my channel. Pretty different backdrop from the usual. So yeah, this video is gonna be more like the behind the scenes slash vlog. I don't know what to exactly categorize this into, but I'm basically gonna shoot a product commercial and I wanted to take you along to show the process of how I make one inside my room. So this is more like the behind the scenes kind of vlog. Yeah, so what product am I gonna be shooting for the product commercial is basically a question. Fortunately, our company, which is my dad's company, is actually manufacturing this forehead thermometers, and they sent me this to actually take some product photos which they will use for their social medias. So apart from taking some pictures of it, I wanted to make it more special by making it a short product commercial slash video, just showcasing the product, like unboxing it, showing the product itself, and then how it is used, like a short 1 minute video, which would be cool. So yeah, I just wanted to take you through the process of how I make one. By this time you might be wondering, why would you first make this product itself, and why would the consumers like you guys would choose this over the other hundreds of thermometers that is available in the market? Pretty good question. The thing is, it's just to support us. It is locally manufactured, and by buying these products from us, basically supporting a small company, like Indian based company, which is great. So yeah, please do make sure to order these if you want one for your businesses or personal needs. You can order one. I'll put the link in the details below. So this kind of video is sponsored by Clanker. That is our company name. Hashtag sponsored by Clanker. Not really, I don't know. So yeah, pretty much that was it. I'll put all the details below, and by this time I guess you might have already seen the whole product commercial itself. So let's just start making one. Okay, so the first step in my process of this product commercial is to actually find the correct music for the video, because music and sound design actually makes a big effect in the whole product video, and I want the music and the beats to be good so that I can just shoot a good b-roll and match cut to that beat. So at the end, if you look at the whole product, it would come together as a good complete package. So right now I'm just gonna find the correct music. I'm just playing through all the free copyright music sites and trying to find the correct music for that. I've landed shortlisted some of those. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I'm gonna try and listen again, and yeah. So I think I got the music finalized. The beat, the 1 minute beat is actually pretty good. So now I have to start the storyboarding process, which involves what are the shots that I have to get, and I have to match cut to the beats so that in edit it will be easier to place the videos just on top of the music. So yeah, I pretty much have everything in my mind, but just to make the process a little easier, I'm gonna just draw like few basic diagrams. So yeah, so when I go to shoot, it will be very easy. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished the storyboarding process. So I have the rough idea of what to shoot now, because I have written each and every scene like in a rough diagram and described it so that I'll be able to refer when I'm shooting. The next thing is to actually go and shoot, so let's do that. So this is the final setup. Shoot, this is just crazy. As you can see, they're pretty similar. Camera on the top facing down, and then the monitor right there. But I have made this chart as the reflector because I feel that this area was a bit dark and this area was brighter. When the light hit, it would reflect and make the layout pretty even, as you can see. So yeah, it's pretty even now. I'm gonna just start shooting all the top down shots, and yeah, once that I will come back and let you know what happened. So I think now I've shot all the top down shots. Pretty much everything is done for this setup. So the three more things I have to shoot. One is just like the temperature measuring. That is pretty easy. You can find someone and just, and then the front part of the temperature gun. And there is one more shot just like from here, and then shooting like a slow-mo sequence, like just 2 3 couples of slow-mo sequence of the product like coming slowly and stuff like that, so that I can use that as well at the edit. So pretty much that was it. I'm gonna set up for the side angle shot. Just gonna keep a black chart like this and the L shape, so that I can shoot it from here. I'm also going to change the lens from 24 to 105 to 85 to get a bit of depth, so that there will be a bit better separation from the background. This is a pretty crazy setup. So I have balanced the whole camera with just the books, and I'm gonna use this as my viewfinder, and this is the setup, and this is what the camera can see. So if I in case put the temperature in, you can just see this. So I'm gonna try to shoot some, like, slow motion product intro shots for this one, and yeah, so keep you updated once it's done. I think I got all the shots I want now. So currently I'm just gonna import all the footage that I just shot, the top down and this angle shot, and then gonna just do a rough cut and see whether I got all the shots or not. If not, I will again come back and I have to reshoot the whole thing. So pretty much gonna leave the setup just like this and just take the SD card out and do my thing, and then come back and I will actually let you know if everything is fine or not. So it's been a few days since I last recorded. I took a good sweet time editing the commercial. You might have seen it before, so yeah. So it was actually a pretty fun project for me. I think forcing myself to make these kinds of BTS behind the scenes vlogs for making the product photography video that I made, and this one is making me learn more about how commercials itself and how this process comes together as a whole. So I'm pretty fortunate for that, and yeah, and hope you like that one. I think with whatever I had, I came up with a decent commercial in the box. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I also had to reshoot a few stuff and add a bit more after the day, so that took a while. That's why I'm pretty late, and a different costume as well. Hope you like this video. I think with better equipment and a bigger production and a bigger idea and a bigger group, the commercial would look better. If you want to buy the thermometer, below you can actually find this on Flipkart, and they will also share the details where you can call and order as well. So I'll post those in the description below. Pretty much that was it. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next one. Bye.